Hello friends, welcome back. I am Rehman Bhamani. Today we are going to discuss about Kajaria Ceramics Limited. Before starting the video, I would like to remind you that this video is only for educational purpose. This should not be considered any recommendation to buy, sell or hold any securities. Please consult your financial advisors before doing any investment related activities. Now let's begin. So friends, here we are on company's website. Here it is showing that it is India's number one tile company, and Kajaria is now number 8th largest manufacturer of tiles in the world, and it is number 1 in India. It has up to 2800 designs option available in ceramic and vertified tiles, and it has all the certifications, and these are some of the awards, and this award the company has received 11th time in a row. Now let us look at the shareholding pattern of the company. First we look at the shareholding pattern of the promoter and promoter group, and this shareholding is for the quarter ended December 2020. So this is as on 31st December 2020. So individuals and HUF are in total holding 6.89% share in the company, which includes many of the family members, and apart from 6.89% of the individuals and HUF, there are other BK Trustee Private Limited, CK Trustee Private Limited, RK Trustee Private Limited are holding 8.31% share, 16.26, 16.26. In total, promoters and promoter group are holding 47.54% share in the company. Now let us also look at the public shareholding. So here this is also as on 31st December. Here you can see. So mutual funds are holding in total 12.63% share in the company, which includes Kotak Debt Fund, Mira Asset Large Cap Fund, UTI Small Cap Fund. So they are holding, Kotak is holding 3.23% share of the company, Mira Asset is holding 2.85, and UTI is holding 1.32%. And foreign portfolio investors are holding 23.68% share in the company, which includes Government Pension Fund Global, which is holding 4.55% share. JP Morgan Fund is holding 1.54% share. Small Cap World Fund INC is holding 4.10% share in the company. 9 insurance companies are holding this share, which is about 2% share of the company. So in total, the public shareholding comes to 52.46% share of the company. So friend, this is trendline.com. Here you can track how much the mutual fund is holding a particular share. Friends, I am not promoting this website. If you want to use any other website, you can simply use it. This is only for the analytical purpose, and this website is freely available. That's why I am using it. So here you can see the shareholding. In March, it was around 18 million, and thereafter it rose a little, and it reached to 26 million, and thereafter it is continuously falling. In December month also, you can see there is a fall of 1.22 millions. So the mutual funds have actually sold these funds for last 3 months, which is October, November and December. Friends, now we are on Money Control website. Again a disclaimer, I am not promoting this website. The data is freely available on this website. If you want to use any other website for looking at the annual income statements, you can use any other website. This is only for the convenience that this is freely available. So let's go ahead with our analysis. So here I have taken consolidated figures of income statement, and I have selected annual so that I can get the trend of last 5 years. So here you can see the data of last 5 years, which is from 2016, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Friends, all these figures are in crore of rupees. In 2016 the sales was 2413, in 2017 it was 2549, in 2018 it was 2710, in 2019 it was 2956, in 2020 it was 2808. So in March the sales has reduced a little, otherwise it was growing. Now let us also look at the net profits. So net profit in 2016 was 236, In 2017 it was 253. In 2018 it was 228. In 2019 it was 228. And in 2020 it was 253. So here you can see it was 253 in 2020, and also it was 253 in 2017. So if you see and analyze, the net profit is not actually growing. So it was same in 2017 and same in 2020 also. Here also both these figures were same. So the company is not actually growing. It is stuck somewhere because the net profit figures are not growing. Let us also look at the quarterly figures. So it is for the last 5 quarters starting from December 2019, then March 20, June 20, September 20 and December 20. So in December the sales was 741, 652. In June it was 277, in September it was 712 and in December it was 838. So here you can see there was a little drop. This may be because of COVID problem, because in March and June there was COVID problem going on, there was lockdown all over India, so the sales has reduced. Let us also look at the net profit figures. So in December 2019 it was 61, then it was 48, then it was minus 32, then it was 89, then it was 121. If you see the return ratios, these are very good for the last 5 years. In 2016 the return on net worth was 23.80%, it was 21.5 up, then it was 21.51%, 17.39%, 14.38% and again 14.89%. So it is dropping continuously. The return on net worth is continuously going down. Also return on capital employed, it was 17.86, then 28.95, 23.75, 21.18 and in 2020 it was 17.27. So this is also reducing if you compare it with 2017, but if you compare it with 2016 it was actually the same. Okay, now let us look at the growth ratios. 3 years CAGR sales, the CAGR, compounded annual growth rate. In 2016 it was 22.36, then 17.71, then 11.33, then 10.67, then 4.94. And if you look at the 3-year CAGR net profit percentage, it was 47.97, then 39.01, then 11.19. 2019 it was minus 1.57, and in 2020 again it was in minus 0.06. So as I told you, the net profit is not growing for the last 2-3 years, and it is an alarming sign for the investors. If the net profits are less, the shareholders may not benefit in the long run. Let us also look at the PE ratio. So here you can see the PE ratio of the companies 76.88, but the sector PE is 43.65. So the company is very much overvalued. Higher the PE, that means the company is overvalued than its competitors. So with all this analysis, two main important points: that the company's net profit is not growing and the PE is higher than its sector PE. So according to me, for the long-term investment, this is not the right time for an investment in this company. Yes, the company is good, but it is not growing for the last 3 years. As we look at the net profit figures, the company is not growing from last 3 years. So it is an alarming sign that the investors should be cautious. So I would not recommend this stock for the long term. It may be good for some trading purposes, but for investment purpose, this is not the right stock to invest. Friends, if you have any questions or any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. If you want me to make any video on any specific stock, then also you can write it in the comment section. I will try to make the videos on that particular stock. If you like my video, do hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, so that they will also have an understanding that why you should not buy a particular stock or why you should buy a particular stock. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will receive all the future notifications of my videos. Thank you.